Alrighty, Mr. Ryan. Got you all finished up. Got you a 100 amp variable voltage supply all finished. (12.3, 12.4) on your low. (16.1) according to this meter. On the front, a little over 16 volts on that meter there. We'll back it down 14 volts, see what it does. Well, I didn't have it all the way down, so all the way up 16.2, 16.3, all the way up. So let's take it back down to 14 volts. Right. 100 amp. Drop 0.5 volts at 100 amps. 150 amps, dropped about a volt. There's 150, actually 160 amps. So, bring it up to your car audio voltage that you want to run it at. There's your 100 amps. Drops 0.5 volts. Actually, it's sitting at 110 amps. 150, dropped a little over a volt. Back it back down. Take it all the way up. 16.2. 100 amps, dropped to 15.4, 15.5. There's 200 amps. It tripped. Yeah, let's back it back down. Of course, you got your reset back here on the back. Didn't like it 200 amps for long. That's all right. There's 160 amps, and you're at 13.5. So it should do everything you need it to do. All right, give me a second. We'll get her unhooked and you can see what's going on the back. Got your positive, negative label. Got your radio jack that you can run up to a 6 to a 10 amp radio right out of the jack. And your voltage is set no matter whether you run it up. Let's test the voltage here. Show you what the voltage is. wire here. Alright, with your your voltage all the way up, you're sitting at 15.8. Then once you put it under load, she drops down. So you don't have to worry about too much voltage on your radio. So once it goes under load, it drops down on the voltage. Other than that, and there's your breaker that pushed out when we had it up there at 200 amps. Click it and she goes right back in. Of course, your positive, negative, and can't forget that. We got a capacitor bank sitting right there. We got good air blowing down on them power supplies and them capacitors. She will be ready to head your way. I thank you. And of course, nice 3/8 brass studs. Alrighty, I thank you, Mr. Ryan. Should be heading your way.